Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to crack hashed passwords with Hashcat. I will show how to do this with both a dictionary and a brute force attack. Let's get started. This is the hash that we are going to brute force. You can use your own hash, but you have to put it in a text file like this. If you want multiple, just place them under each other. First off, let's start up a new terminal and go in the directory where the hash file is located. After that, do #id-h for the help menu. Here are the usage details of hash ID. We will use the -m option so we can get the Hashcat hash code, which we will use later. Type #id-m out and put the copied hash from the hash file at the end. You will now get a list of all the possible hash types the hash can be. The first one on the list is most likely the hash we are searching for. I know already that this is a MD5 hash, so we will go with that. Let's copy the Hashcat hash type and use Hashcat to start the cracking. Use Hashcat-h to see all the options. We are doing a brute force, so we will use the attack mode arguments. Type in Hashcat-a3 for setting the attack mode to brute force. Now type -m and the mode of the hash type you have gotten from hash ID. As you can see, my hash is MD5, so that means it should be a 0. Now you can type the name of the file that your hash is located in. I saved mine in brute_hash.txt. Make sure to be in the same directory as the file. All you have to do is wait now for Hashcat to load and start trying to crack it. This can take very long depending on how long the text is that is hashed. If the text is only 5 characters long, it can be less than a minute, but if it's 12 characters long, it can take up to a few hours with a beefy computer. I cut out the initialization part and now it is starting to hash. Done. You can see the hash here in the dehash text behind it. We will now do a dehash with a word list, which is more commonly used for password cracking because of the long waiting times of a brute force. Now make a new file and paste the hash you want to dehash in the file and save it. Make sure the hash is copied. Go back to your terminal and again use #id-m and your hash to identify your hash type. You can see it is a SHA-1 hash and the Hashcat mode is 100. Now you can use Hashcat again. Type Hashcat-h for the help menu. Instead of using -a3, now we will use -a0 for the word list option. So just type Hashcat-a0. After that, type -m and your Hashcat mode. Now you can type out the name of the file with the hash in it, and after that the name of your word list file with all the words in it. Press enter to start Hashcat. I will skip the initialization part again. It's now loading the word list. And it's done already. It took 4 seconds to look through 3.3 million words in hash, compare them to the given hash that needed to be cracked. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of hash cracking with tools like Hashcat. Remember to use this knowledge responsibly and always seek proper authorization. Stay vigilant and prioritize strong password practices. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay secure.